Wondering what life looks after your stem cell transplant? Can you watch that new blockbuster movie, return to school or work? What about having friends over? Let's dive into these everyday questions and talk about how to stay safe while your immune system is recovering. Right after your transplant, or while you're still on immune suppressing medications, the first 3 to 6 months are crucial. Why? Because your immune system is still rebooting, and protecting yourself from infections is priority number 1. Yes, you can keep your pets, but there are rules. Cats and dogs are fine to be around, but avoid sleeping with them or grooming them. Think of it as keeping them at arm's length. You can look, but limit touching for now. Crowded places are off limits for now. But hey, thanks to streaming services, you can enjoy the latest movies and shows right from the comfort of your couch. Returning to school or work depends on your immune system's recovery. Your doctor will guide you, but here are some tips. Start small. Attend a few hours each day before gradually increasing. Avoid crowds, especially during flu season or when classmates are sick. Don't stress about falling behind. Your health comes first. Taking an extra year is no big deal in the grand scheme of things. Yes, but with precautions. Keep visits small and spaced out. No visitors with even mild cold symptoms. Young children who attend daycare or school should wait a while because they're germ magnets. Everyone must wash their hands thoroughly and wear a mask if needed. If you're feeling isolated, set up video calls. After all, we're all Zoom experts now. Absolutely. Walking is a great way to regain strength, but follow these tips. Pick the right time. Early morning or evening to avoid crowds and the sun. Use sunscreen, wear a hat, and cover up. Some medications make your skin more sensitive. Avoid risky areas. Steer clear of construction sites or landscaping as they can stir up fungal spores. Start slow. Gradually increase the length of your walks and listen to your body. Not everyone has personal transportation, so here's how to stay protected on buses, trains, or metros. Travel during off-peak hours, wear your mask properly, and use hand sanitizer often. Keep your distance from anyone coughing or visibly sick. If possible, opt for a ride-sharing service like Uber or ask a family member for a ride. It's safer than crowded public transport. Gardening is a no-go for now. Handling soil or plants can expose you to harmful microbes. Similarly, swimming is off-limits if you have a central line or chemoport. These rules aren't about taking away your fun. They're about keeping you safe while your immune system recovers. Each precaution you take today helps build a healthier, stronger tomorrow. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more advice on navigating life post-transplant. And let me know down in the comments what questions you have about recovery. Let's tackle them together. Stay safe and keep smiling.